everyone, welcome back. Yeah, we're here at the car wash, gonna rinse the El Camino off before we go drop it off to Dave here. We just left my sister's house. It's kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit in the afternoon, so it might be dark when we get there, but yeah, we're gonna go drop this off, and it's gonna be tucked away for the, the rest of the season. Let Dave do his magic to it, and I want to give a big shout out to Dave over there at Dave's Collision for helping us out, guys. I've had some work done to this car body-wise by 3 different people over the 12 years that I've had the car, and I've always got shafted on work or work that was supposed to be done, and money that I gave and never received the work and had to go get the car, and then work that was done that a month later came back out, and I was up to here with it, guys, and I'm really thankful that Dave stepped in and is going to do this for us. And he's a great guy, and like I said, I really appreciate it. And it'll be done right this time, and we ain't going to have to worry about it no more. But as you can see, we got the El Camino here on the trailer, and I'm just going to blow it off and get all the remnants of the track. We got a little bit of mud and dirt on it from doing the burnouts and stuff, so yeah, that's what it is. So we're gonna get this rinsed off and we're gonna get on the road, guys, so we'll catch you back here in a few. Hold tight. We're getting ready to pull in here, guys. We're gonna put it in his pole barn until he gets the other car out. Like I said, after this leaves here, or after we get back, it's all house duty from here on out. That's my next big thing. No more race car stuff this year.
Yeah, it's like me.
My boy's car is kind of on hold.
Yeah.
It's close, but I told him we're not rushing it.
Oh, I got a fuel tank car. I work on this. I got a set of Chevy Rallies.
I was gonna switch them out, but it was pouring rain.
Little 14-inch fit on there. Okay.
I got 1/2-inch studs on the back though.
Yeah, that shouldn't matter. I think that Nova had them on there too. Fit.
The lug nuts will hold it on there.
It should. It'll work. Yeah. We had them on. We had them on something else that Chevrolet was doing. We didn't use them on so many cars.
Yeah.
But we had them on this Nova, and we put the big brakes on it. You could just barely put them on there because of the freaking calipers are so big.
Yeah, I was gonna switch them out, but it poured down rain, and where this was parked with a mud hole, and like, I said, you know what? Still cover them up or something, or I can bring them back.
Oh yeah, yeah. Or get inside, we can swap them out too.
Oh shit! Grab that battery cable.
nothing here since I switched.
All right, guys. We just got the car unloaded and put in his garage. And there's the wife. Say hi. But we're heading back towards the house finally. Yeah. Great weekend, man. And I tell you, hats off to Dave over here for helping us out on this build once again, guys. And what comes around goes around too. You know, if he ever needs anything, doesn't have to hesitate to ask. But all right, guys, ain't much more video to do with this. I just want to thank everybody for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button and for the next videos. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. All right, bye-bye.